folks, Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz here with Top Gun Options, and capping off a great week of Options Weapons School. We've sent out a bunch of skill-based trade alerts, had two great about 4-hour skill-based live trading sessions in the market with an advanced live trade brief this morning where our professional trader, volatility arbitrage trader Doug Robertson added a iron condor on the Russell on IWM, and a great primary and intermediate live trade brief Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. With Clint. Also some great training. Don't forget tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern, check your email because Doug's going to be knocking out an iron condor training presentation, folks, that you're not going to miss. If you were in the live trading today, you saw his proprietary sheet, his proprietary iron condor tool that he uses to manage some significant money down here in South Florida for folks, and you're going to want to see this presentation tonight, so do not miss it. That's 9 Eastern tonight. So let's get right to it. I want to throw out a bonus trade here for our Options Weapons School folks, since we've been having a blast this week, and this popped up on our radar. Market's looking pretty good today, up 93. SPY is up, SPOOs. Let's take a look at our altimeter real quick. Obviously, probably moving in the other direction. Volatility's probably coming in a little bit. Yep, down 6.5%, folks, on the VIX. That's incredible. I mean, volatility is just at record lows here. Let's take just a quick look at volatility on our Trade Monster platform here. If you want to open a free paper trading account, you can go to our strategic partners here at Trade Monster and go to TradeMonster.com/TGO. That's short for Top Gun Options. So TradeMonster.com, you can open a free paper trading account, get access to all these tools. But look at this. Volatility has just been in a steady decrease over the past 3 months. And our rule of thumb here at Top Gun Options is when vol's cheap, you buy it. When it's expensive, you sell it. And vol hasn't been cheaper, folks. I haven't seen this low volatility in the mid-teens for a while. It's too quiet out there. Like the Wall Street Journal said the other day in one of their articles, it's way too quiet. The VIX is all the way down here. Something's got to give. You know, unemployment's still lingering, housing. There's a looming threat of Israel attacking Iran. Just a lot of stuff. So if you're wise, you'd probably be stocking up on some insurance right now through volatility or through one of the proxies of the VIX, which we like to take a look at a lot, is the VXX. And that kind of tracks. Short story long with it, it's a good proxy for the VIX. Don't have the time to get into that right now. But let's take a look at one of the targets that we've identified for potential trade here in our primary intermediate model portfolio. Amazon. Now, the other day, you know, our strategic mindset with the market overall is neutral, but we think Amazon is really on a tear here, folks. You know, this is the 3-month chart. Hey, it took a $5 hit in the stock after Morgan Stanley downgraded it, but it's steadily been on a rise here. Little pullback, and then you know the gap down there, and then again steadily rising here. But if you look, definitely see support at the 3-month range down here at about $1.70, and then right around the 175 range. 176 range, we're definitely seeing support and definitely seeing a nice formation here that it's breaking out to the upside. It's actually up 2.4% today, up $4. So I got the trade alert out to our subscribers earlier. I'm just following up with a video here. So the trade we put on may not actually be able to get, but let's talk through that though. So like I said, we have support at that 170-ish and then the 175. So what can we do? Here's the tactic that we're looking at in our paper trading virtual account at Trade Monster. We're looking at a bull put spread, which is also called a credit spread or a vertical spread. We're looking at selling 15 of the April Amazon 175 puts. Now, to protect ourselves, we're always hedged. Don't sell naked puts. We're going to buy a further out of the money call, or put, the 170 put, 15 of them underneath that. And we're going to try and get it at $1.08. As this morning, that was about the NBBO, so national best bid offer and mid-market there. So we might not be able to get that price. We'll take a look at our live Trade Monster platform here in a little bit. But here's kind of the risk profile. Maximum profit potential is about $1,600. That's 74%. So I definitely like those odds. Probability for maximum loss, about 17%, 18%, or nearly $5,900. Folks, our rule of thumb at Top Gun Options is we never risk more than 5% of our model portfolio capital on any one trade. So that's why it's 15 contracts. And probability of breaking even is pretty high there, 76% as well. So we're liking this trade. But again, we're going to manage it. Our jet criteria would be, bailing out of this thing at about 54 cents, 50% of the credit received, we'd bail out of this trade. But we don't wait until we're about to fly into the side of a mountain and, no kidding, pull the ejection handle. So we'll reevaluate this in a model portfolio if we take a 25% hit and maybe eject to live the fight another day, because you always want to be managing risk. Theta in this trade is always working good. Us every day that goes by, just open your pocket and put a couple dimes in there, because theta, or time decay, helps us out immensely with this trade. So, as I said, let's take a look real quick back at what Amazon's doing right now. Let's see what the trade's currently trading at. Well, okay, I'll tell you what. Since I still like this trade, I'm going to go ahead and modify it and see what we can get mid-market, because I still like it. Obviously, Amazon moved a little bit today, and that's why we're not seeing at a $1.08 there. So let's go mid-market here and see if we can get picked off. So right around 95 cents. Let's go ahead and confirm that and shoot that one into our model portfolio. So could have probably gotten it at a $1.08 earlier. Unfortunately, markets move, but the folks who got the trade alert earlier and who are subscribers probably got it on time. So make sure you join us tonight again at 9 p.m. for Doug Robertson's Iron Condor training. And this is Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz, saying happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. Fire away.